Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out the Globular Cluster RPQ3 Rear Pad for Quest 3 and 3S. It retails for $20 on their website, currently on sale for $15.99 at time of posting. This one I'm going to go through the assembly, show you how to use it, and of course give you my review. Let's jump into this one. Alright, so we have our back pad, we have two Velcro straps, and the installation guide. So the first step is to adjust this stock strap to your head. So make sure you go ahead and do that first. I would recommend making it a little bit larger than normal, as the rear pad does take up some extra space in the back. And then what you're going to want to do is in between the two adjustable pieces that you pull, you can see that's where the fabric kind of doubles up there. You're going to take your small Velcro strap and feed that through with the Velcro, the rough side, facing inwards. It's going to be a little tricky because it just wants to stick to it. Do it about halfway up. Okay. Once that's in, then you can take your back head pad and you're going to stick that on here. Just shows it being roughly in the middle. And then you'll take this second one here and it's going to go across the top and the back there. It looks like I might need to just raise this up a little bit. You can hear we got some pretty strong Velcro there, which is good. There we go. Now we've got enough space, and you can always adjust it as you see fit for your own head as well. That's going to hold it in place to the stock strap, and now as you can see it is a part of it. So that's our installation, pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and try this now, and then I'll come back and give you my review. I do want to give you just a little tip if you have a larger head. I've got a larger head, between 62 and 63 centimeters in circumference. Talked about it with some other accessories before, but with these two apart enough to slide the Velcro through and then put this in, it was a little bit too tight. And so what I've done instead is just taken this and done a Velcro across on this side, and then put this one either across the top or just do the same idea on this other side, and that will hold it in place easy enough to use it as well. And then that made it so it wasn't so tight on my head. It fit perfectly that way and actually ended up being a lot better for me. Here on my head, this is how it looks. And one of the nice parts about having it just be Velcro is that you can adjust the back pad up, down, or to the side, however it fits the back of your head nicer. Okay, had a chance to use it now. Now I want to give you my review and just talk about it a bit more. You can see I still have it set up as I showed before. I double checked my head's about 60 centimeters in circumference, or not 62 to 63, a little bit smaller, but I still needed it like this. So if you have a head that's bigger than 60 centimeters, bigger than 62 maybe, this might not quite work for you, just because it adds more space between the back of the head strap and the facial interface there. So take that into consideration. In terms of design of the pad, it's very dense, nice and thick. It's this kind of this hex silicone material. It's very soft and breathable, but it provides really good sturdy support in the back there. It's about 200 grams, so it kind of acts as a counterweight as well for the headset, which is nice. Just a little counterweight that's kind of added in the back there instead of having a full-on head strap. Now, of course, I did use this while laying down, you know, watching some shows, watching some games, and this was nice. I really enjoyed it. It added some extra support in the back there, even while using a pillow. Just made things feel a bit sturdier, and it was really nice. Globular Cluster has some really great accessories. I've got one of their facial interfaces on here. I very often am using their CMQ3 head strap. You can check out the reviews for both of those. But this is something I would recommend as well. It's $20 on their website, currently on sale, 20% off, so it's $15.99 for just, if you're a movie watcher or you watch a lot of games or things like that on your Quest 3 or Quest 3S, this is something worth checking out. So I'll link below where you can find it. If you have any questions about it, make sure to let me know. I'm more than happy to do my best to answer those to the best of my ability. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.